The 2011 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, automatic transmission, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, power steering, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, trip computer, power windows, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display, remote window operation, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.